My guy, your bedroom is your throne. Your bedroom, it's your safe haven. And most of you guys are doing detrimental things in your bedroom, things you should not be doing, things that will also kill your chances. See, when a girl comes to your bedroom is a reflection of you. And if you're not doing the right things, it's going to kill your chances for her to come back a second time. Today, boys, I'm going to be showing you what you should not be doing in your bedroom. Number one, leaving your beat sock just laying around. First of all, I sure hope you quit the pornography, but if you haven't, nobody wants to see that crusty sock all over the place. Honestly, your brother Jose has told you for some time now, drop the porn. Having Pornhub queued up is not a good look. Number two, spraying Axe to cover up stench. If your bedroom smells like ass and you're using Febreze or some sort of Axe spray just to cover everything up, it smells like doo-doo with cologne. Like, that's what it smells like. And let's be real. She's just going to get war flashbacks of the boys' locker room because that's exactly what your bedroom smells like. It is time to level up, man. We are no longer boys. This is exactly why we're dropping a new oil diffuser. See, I love good scents. See, you not only attract women on all five senses, you also change your mood on all five senses. Sometimes you do things for yourself, not for women. And see, here's the reality of it. For me, setting the mood, it includes the music. It includes the room, the aesthetic, but it also includes the scent. And I love good scent, not only on myself, but in any workspace that I'm at, I want it to smell good. So we designed an oil diffuser. And if you've been following me on Instagram, you've been watching us for the past few months develop this. And basically, this is the final product. Boys, just look how sexy this looks. Look how upscale this looks. This looks luxurious. This looks like you're a man of culture, a man of wealth. And that's exactly what I wanted to do. See, I think candles kind of suck. I'm going to be honest with you. Like, they're good for certain occasions, but look, they burn out. You have to replace them. And then when you do turn them off, it leaves this like burnt after smell inside of your room. I wanted something that actually looked good in your room. It's a piece of decoration while also serving a purpose. So we created this, our Santa Lucia oil diffuser. Now, you know, our brand Santa Lucia, it's all about upscale, about class, about luxury. So we wanted to bring that essence to this oil diffuser. And we did just that with the vase shape. Now, the cool part of the oil diffuser is that it comes with its oil bottle, so it's easy to set up. You just pour the oil inside. Now, this is dropping in July, the first week of July, which you're going to want to put a reminder on your phone. July 5th, 10 a.m. Eastern. Now, here's the thing. You can buy it in the 3 different scents for Santa Lucia. Come closer. This one I recommend if, you got a partner and you like to be setting the mood, you want the room to smell very sexy, get to Come Closer. To Conquering is what I have in my office. So To Conquering, that's your boss scent. That's your masculine, patchouli-infused, motivational type of scent. It's very powerful. That's the one I like to have in my personal office. And then you have Everyday, which is kind of like that umbrella fragrance that you can have in your office, you can have in your house, you can have in the living room, in the family room. It's that scent that just smells good, that bachelor pad feel. Well, you can buy the oil diffuser in all 3 scents. You're going to have the oil come in a specific side bottle where you just pour it in, and then you put the carbon stick inside. That carbon stick, we made it minimal, thick, and basically what it does is it absorbs the oil and brings it to the top to then disperse through the room. I'm telling you, this thing can easily fill up an entire room, and as you guys know, our last drop for Santa Lucia, our fragrance is completely sold out. Like, they're gone. Well, it was about $1 million worth of product that was gone. We're not only going to restock the fragrances, we're also going to be dropping this oil diffuser. And I'm telling you, boys, it's going to fly. So put a reminder on your phone, July 5th, 10 a.m. Eastern. If you want this, you want to be sure you want to be the first ones there. Number 3, stop spending hours on your phone while you're in your room. Go out, socialize, experience, get some vitamin D. Or if you're an introvert, even better, get a collection of books, something that you can read so you can exercise your mind, expand your knowledge, and learn something new. I'm telling you, you'll bring a girl over, you have your room set up, you have your oil diffuser, you have your stack of books. This will be 1,000,000 times more impressive than your Xbox setup with your bottle of Axe. Number 4, have colored sheets. I've always hated colored sheets. And boys, you're no longer a boy, you're a man. And my go-to sheet color is always neutral. I keep my sheets like I keep my clothing. It's simple, whites and grays. That looks good. It's a bachelor pad feel. And it doesn't matter what design you have in your room. It's going to look good. It's going to look grown. It's going to look mature. Any baby blue, light blue, red, pink, green, You gotta get rid of that. Which takes down to number 5. You also wanna get rid of the posters on your walls. Yo, put up some abstract art. Those posters don't say much about you. I went on Etsy and I actually purchased these. They look pretty sick. It looks like you're a man of culture, a man of class. You're upscale now. See, this is what you're letting women know and people when they come to your home, when they see your room. On top of that, it sets the mood for yourself too. Seeing the art, it makes you feel good. And your room smells good and you got the books there too. Bro, come on. This is a lifestyle. Number 6, never use the color red. I don't know why guys think red looks good in a room, but red walls, red sheets, red carpet, anything red, red lights. Your bedroom looks like a brothel. A brothel. And finally, number 7, having a TV. Look, this is a personal one, but I feel like a TV is mainly a distraction and a waste of money. Most people don't even watch TV since you're consuming most of your content off of your phone, making a TV kind of useless and it just looks ugly. It doesn't even look good in your room. I have one, well, because my daughter likes to watch cartoons, but on a personal level, I never had a TV before that. To me, I much rather have the room set up like I talked about and then have a nice speaker, a Bluetooth speaker. See, music sets the mood. If you want to relax, you put chill jazz music, right? If you want to set the mood, you put some R&B, some baby making music. If you're about to hit a hit workout, you put some hip hop, you put some rap, some trap, whatever you're into. The point is the music sets the tone in your room, and it's a cheaper and a much better investment than a TV. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Those are 7 things you should not be doing in your bedroom. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget July 5th, 10 a.m. East, our new oil diffuser drops. You're not going to want to miss that. That's it for me today. See you next time.